and I'm at Gangotri and I'm here on a trek with Indiahikes. It's called Gaumukh Tapovan, 4th October batch. And during current pandemic situation, it is not advisable to travel. But my experience has been splendid and outstanding. The reason being, everybody is following proper social distancing norms. I mean, my trek leader Dhaval, he was in mask always, and I was like, oh my god, I was amazed. Okay, social distancing were followed, and as I reached my base camp, I was given a sleeping bag with my name on it. I mean, I was very surprised. I mean, they were so particular and specific about each and every detail, and even our tents also, they are going to be our names on it so that it doesn't get mixed. So all these social distancing norms have been followed. We have been asked to use our sanitizers. We have been asked to maintain social distancing while traveling, and each and every advice is given to us. I mean, there is a checklist. I mean, I was not expecting them to be so professional and thorough.
Okay. And what advice you want to give the future trekkers?
First of all, do not worry. COVID-19 is there, I understand. But follow the instructions, because there'll be guides, there'll be leaders who will tell you each and everything. So get your COVID-19 test if you're coming to Uttarakhand. Although it's not a regulation, but you have to carry it for your own safety. And the reason being, you're also going to stop the virus to spread from a trekker's hometown to en route their journey and to this beautiful place. Yeah, you don't want to do that, right? And another thing is, follow social distancing, wear your mask, sanitize properly, do not mix your toiletries, and do not use utensils. Yeah, you've been asked to carry your own lunchbox, your own cup, so why to use it? And clean it properly, stay safe, be happy, so enjoy. So guys, I'm very happy to be here, and I'm very happy because the kind of safety precaution these guys have taken, thumbs up. So cheers to Indiahikes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Poonam.